In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access other managed Shopify store settings. Whether you're overseeing multiple Shopify stores or just lending a hand to someone else, being able to quickly and efficiently access different store settings is essential. So, let's dive right into the process. First things first, you'll want to head over to your Shopify admin dashboard. This is your control center, so to speak, for everything you're handling within Shopify. Once you're there, take a glance at the top right corner of your screen. Here, you'll notice the name of the store you're currently viewing. This is your starting point for accessing other stores. With a simple click on the store name, a drop-down menu instantly appears before you. This is like your shortcut lane to navigate between the stores you have access to within your managed list. In this drop-down menu, you'll see a quick list of the Shopify stores you're affiliated with. It is really handy if you're frequently switching between just a few of them. However, if you're managing more than just a few stores, or perhaps you want a comprehensive overview, there's a solution for that too. Near the bottom of the drop-down, you'll see an option labeled All Sites. Go ahead and click on that. What this does is expand your view to a complete list of all the managed Shopify sites you have access to. This makes it incredibly easy to switch between them without any confusion or hassle. Once you're in the All Sites view, selecting the store you'd like to access or manage is a breeze. Simply click on the name of the store you wish to dive into. This will immediately take you to that store's admin panel, giving you full access to its settings and options right then and there. And just like that, you're all set up to make any necessary changes or just check on things as needed. And really, that's all there is to it. This streamlined process ensures that you can seamlessly manage multiple stores without having to go through unnecessary steps or complications. Just to recap, click on the store name at the top right, navigate through the drop-down menu, or hit All Sites to get the big picture. I hope you found this guide helpful and that it empowers you to manage your Shopify stores with greater ease and efficiency. Join us again soon for more tips and insights on getting the most out of your Shopify experience. Until next time, happy managing!